This mini power plant saved my RV trip. ALLWEI 2400 watt power station review. Is it worth it? Let's be honest. Power outages suck. Whether you're halfway through a deadline or deep in your favorite show, that sudden silence hits like a horror movie jump scare. Your fridge? Slowly becoming a science experiment. Your phone? Already begging for mercy. It's frustrating, right? We're told to be prepared, but every backup solution feels like a tech headache or just plain unreliable. Small power banks fizzle out, gas generators are noisy gas guzzlers, and most solar solutions take forever to charge. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to find real backup power, you're not alone. But what if you didn't have to settle for unreliable junk? Because here's the kicker. It's not just about convenience anymore, it's about survival, productivity, and sanity. We're talking about real consequences. Missed Zoom meetings, dead CPAP machines, spoiled insulin, lost data, anxious pets, melted freezers. Yeah, this isn't just a first world problem anymore. And if you're living the RV life, or working from remote setups, the stress of watching your power gauge drop faster than your Wi-Fi signal is next level. No backup should make you feel like you're rolling dice with your electronics. You deserve something that actually works, and keeps working when it matters most. Meet the ALLWEI 2400 watt lithium iron phosphate portable power station, your new off-grid BFF. This bad boy isn't just a battery, it's a 2048 watt-hour beast that can scale up to 10,240 watt-hour, yes, seriously. With 3600 watt power lifting, built-in ATS/UPS mode, and 60-minute fast charging, it doesn't play. Forget babying the thing, plug in your fridge, AC, or even your RV setup and relax. It charges in an hour, powers up to 11 devices at once, and automatically switches to UPS during blackouts. Plus, it's smart app controlled, built to last 10 plus years, and weighs only 51 pounds. Yep, it's portable enough to roll with you. Say goodbye to panic, hello to peaceful power. Imagine a world where your backup plan doesn't just exist, it thrives. No more scrambling for candles, praying your meat stays frozen, or yelling at powerless routers. The ALLWEI 2400 watt gives you razor-sharp control, massive capacity, and that sweet, sweet feeling of I got this. Perfect for home backup, RV living, or camping like a boss. It's packed with pure sine wave AC power, USB-C for your laptop, RV ports, DC jacks, and even auto-eco shutoff features to save juice. And the best part? It just works, quietly, cleanly, and without drama. Hit that play button, get the full breakdown, and feel the relief kick in. Now's the moment to stop gambling on weak power setups. The ALLWEI 2400 watt is already making waves with RVers, preppers, and off-grid pros. But here's the thing. With this much power and functionality at this price, stock won't last long. Thousands are already switching to smarter backup power, why not you? Whether it's storm season, camping season, or work from anywhere season, don't wait for the lights to go out. Secure yours today, tap that link, and make the power struggle a thing of the past. Buy now. Limited units. Be powerproof, not powerless.